Welcome to the demonstration of BQPhy, world's first SaaS-based simulation software powered by quantum computing. Today, we're going to be demonstrating the heat transfer process on an automobile radiator using the thermal analysis module. Radiators are used to scatter the heat from the engine to the surrounding, subsequently cooling the engine. To simulate the heat dispersion, we first create or import the geometry. If we have the geometry, we can generate the mesh or simply import the mesh in the Mesh tab. Afterward, we add the proper model we want to use, the boundary conditions, and the material properties in the Setup tab. For this case, we have chosen aluminium properties out of a standard list of materials. Once the setup is created, we move on to the Simulation tab, where we can add the numerical properties as needed, such as end time and time step for transient problems. As soon as these steps are followed, we are ready to simulate our model. All we need to do now is to press the run calculation and let the magic happen. And just like that, the calculations are completed, and we can begin post-processing it. Now let's look behind closed doors to see what happens once the Run Calculation button is pressed. When you press the button, the simulation information is gathered and sent off to the secured servers of Boson Q-SaaS. Residing on the server with BQPy's novel algorithms, the simulation data is then converted into quantum data, which can readily run on the quantum computer. Once the quantum data arrives back to the BQPy's servers, it is decoded into classical data, which is then relayed to the web application.